Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here, back at the Southern District of New York, well, in Foley Square. We're covering all the courts. Sam Bankman-Fried, yesterday night, 7:40, 8 p.m., 7 guilty verdicts, including both kinds of money laundering conspiracy. He remains remanded and will be sentenced in March. That's the current date. There's also rumors of a second trial on the China bribe and campaign finance charges. Yesterday, after the statement by U.S. Attorney Damian Williams, I did shout the question, are you going to do the second trial? There wasn't an answer, and it's unclear. We say that they should. These are important charges, and in fact, they involved others, Sam Trabucco, others in the FTX sphere that haven't been seen either as cooperators, guilty pleaders, or immunity guys. In any event, we covered it. And now we turn to other cases. Behind me, behind this blazing sun in 40 Foley, there's a DEA case that we're following closely. In fact, we tried to get this courtroom unsealed during a document involving Alexander Saab and an unknown, undisclosed U.S. operation. Of course, there's the Trump case in the building behind me. They just, some of the team just arrived, the sons, the two brothers. So we're covering that. Also, I'm going to do another turn. If you see there behind me is the subway, the 4 and 5 train. We can go to EDNY, and we will go to EDNY for the crypto case of SafeMoon, which was announced this week. There's also Mashinsky behind me. But I digress. We covered that on SBF. We did publish a book, as promised, last night. Right now it's only in ebook form. It's called Crypto Criminal, The Conviction of Samuel Bankman-Fried. It's on Amazon. You can find it. 200 pages. It involves, of course, some of the courtroom back and forth, but more. Paperback should be out soon. Now, the United Nations. So yes, Gaza, of course, they're filling on. But there was a profile. I have to, not to toot a horn, but there's a point here. Fortune Crypto did a profile of yours truly, and they called the UN. They said, why are you blinding him? And Stefan Dujarric said, well, he was a danger. We had to do it. It's false. Number one, I wasn't a danger. I was assaulted by them. But even if I was a danger, they're the UN. They talked to Hamas. They talked to the Houthis. They couldn't find a way to let me in. And if I'm a danger in person, why can't I ask questions by WebEx as I do with the IMF? Or why don't they answer written questions? And the answer is the UN is totally corrupt, and we will not rest on court unsealing or the UN. To be continued.